Medicine balls throws and plank exercise might be hurting your golf game. I get it. I get it. You've been faithfully doing your crunches and planks, believing you're building the core strength you need for your golf. And you should be very proud of maintaining that discipline. Now, however, there's something that most golfers don't realize. Doing the basic ab exercise is like only practicing with one club in your bag and expecting to play a good full round. Your swing core is actually a complex system of muscles, seven to be exact, that work together in a multi directional motion, not just rotation. And taking care of this allows you to have a smooth golf swing. When was the last time you did a crunch while rotating 90 degrees? That's exactly what your body does in every swing. Think about this. Have you ever noticed how you can do 100 crunches easily, but still feel unstable when you're swinging your driver? That's because traditional ab exercise don't train the specific swing movement your core needs for golf. So now the real question isn't whether you're doing ab exercises, it's whether you're doing the right exercises that actually translate to better golf performance. What if the secret to a smoother swing isn't in how many medicine ball throws or plant variations you can do, but in how well your core muscles work together in a golf specific way? So here's what I would just offer you. You can continue doing the traditional ab exercises and wonder why your swing isn't improving, watching your frustrations grow with every round, which over time might even risk injury by reinforcing movement patterns that fight against your natural golf swing. If you're ready to transform your swing core strength in a way that actually improves your golf game, I'm hosting a mini workshop that will reveal the golfer's core, the three essential movement that every player over 50 needs to know. Just click the link below and get your spot right now.